The great thing about these Vivid Art animals, they are so real. They do a great range of dogs, right up to the otter and the good old badger. Down to the farm animals, you've got the sheep, the pigs, and a real life size sheep. Even up to the animals to the zoo, a lovely gorilla and the beautiful owls. So the great thing about this Vivid Art is, as you've seen, it is so lifelike, it is unbelievable. It's good quality, doesn't fade in the sun, absolutely brilliant product. And the main thing with this product, order it today and it will be with you tomorrow, Monday to Friday, excluding weekends. Thank you for listening.